Hey Rangitoto College Year 13 students, my name is Wee Yong Yu and I run an organization called Making It On My Own, Miomo. And I've spent time with some of your classmates to develop 10 short videos with associated activities and questions that will help you process and think about life skills, skills that will prepare you for life after school. And so these will be delivered during your tutor classes. So I want to encourage you guys to lean into this, because what you put into this will determine what you get out of this. So I hope that you get the maximum benefit out of this. A little bit about myself. I'm a dad to two teenage boys aged 15 and 14. They're both into speed cubing. Myself as well. I'm not very fast, but they're very fast. And this community is filled with young people and families, and so it's such a privilege for me to not only work professionally with young people and families, but to also spend time outside of my work to encourage young people, to see them thrive. So I hope that these videos and activities will be useful to you. I encourage you to lean in. And some of the questions may involve you speaking to your whānau member or close friends and family to help you process and to develop these life skills in preparation for your life after school. All the very best. See you soon.